Okay, we just took out this water heater here. You ever wonder what's in the bottom of your water heater? That is what is in the bottom of your water heater. This right here is deposits that are stuck on the bottom of the heater. See, nobody flushes their water heater, which you should do. And we recommend flushing them every year. And really the best thing to do to get clean water, hot water to bathe and use in the house is to have a tankless water system. Because on a tankless, there's no tank for all that water to just sit and get nasty. So anyhow, little info there. Look at that. No clue what that is.